Hey everyone, so in this video I'm going to talk about steps and the steps you take to get to where you want to be. So no matter what, everything is done in steps. Even if you end up being a billionaire, you still have to become a millionaire before you become a billionaire because you have to go through it. Maybe it might take you a month or you get to being a millionaire and suddenly in whatever month, 3 months or whatever, you're a billionaire, but you still have to go through that step. And, for me, I I've always had this big vision, I want to be where I wanted to be. And, been scattered because, you can say how I feel, this, that, or pieces and parts or whatever. But it's all come back to steps, and things coming at, when they come, at the right time and allowing that. And, I was thinking about that for me because for a long time I would try to be, you know, in this state where I was like, oh, like this anxiety state or whatever, where I wanted to force, like, hey, why am I not doing this now? Why not doing this now? Now, a lot of it had to do with this weight I would feel of my health, where it just was like, oh, like, it's there, but it's like, I feel like I can do it, but it was like this weight making me feel like I was paralyzed from doing it. So it made everything weighted everything more, and it actually created more anxiety for me, and I realized, like, by letting go, and I finally let go, it actually helped me move further, and then everything's a step. So it's like, for me to get to here, you have to get to this place and get to this place. And we forget that because it's like, oh, I want to, like, do this. Well, you got to do this first or whatever and everything. And then a lot of it's allowing, for me and everything. So I hope I'm making sense in that, but everything is step by step. So don't forget to like, subscribe, and share.